What is up, everyone? This video might seem a bit sketchy, but I'd like to say that we have booked almost 20,800 rupees in the first 45 minutes of the market. So, market in the first two candles has come down, and I have clearly said that market is going to go up to 44,096 and it is going to come down. So, exactly as I said, it went up to 44,096 and it has come down to 43,971, which has been respected in the previous days as well. And also, a consolidation is happening at that level. So, jump right into the video to understand what price action is and how my trades went and how I execute the trades. You will have a clear idea with the video ahead. So see the whole video to get an idea on how price action works and also how my trade went.
Good morning. This is 14th June 2023 and it's 9:20 a.m. in the morning. As you can see here, Banknifty has opened on a 101 point gap up. I tried to move up again, but unfortunately what we can see here is Banknifty has fallen down to touch 44,100 or the resistance or support which we have drawn and has been respected in the previous days. So if Banknifty is not breaking below any of these levels, we may see Banknifty moving up like this, or else the next condition can be if Banknifty is further falling down, then we may see a movement like this. These are the two conditions that I have in mind as of now. So let's wait and see what is going to happen with Banknifty and we will plan our trades accordingly. What I feel about Banknifty is that since it has given a good downward movement in the initial two candles, and since the low is broken, what I believe is either from here this can reverse or else from here this can reverse. So in order for Banknifty to be bullish or maybe for a bullish view, we'll have to wait for Banknifty to break and sustain above any of these levels. So we'll have to be very careful when taking the trades because there are high chances that Banknifty can make a move like this, or else Banknifty can come down to 44,000 as well. So these are the two conditions that we have to keep in mind. The strike that I have chosen to take trade today is 44,000 PE, and looking at the OI we can see that 44,000 has decent put OI build-up, but call was dominating initially. Put was dominating initially and it was the put to call ratio was high. So now looking at that, we can see that call has been building up at that level. So probably we'll see Banknifty moving down from this level. Yep, so we'll wait for some more time and we'll just go for a buy in. 44,000 PE is what I believe is the best option. I'm gonna go buy so I'm planning to buy 44,000 PE of Banknifty 600 quantities at this level. I was aiming for 234, but the range is out. So let's just wait for some more time. We'll get in at the lowest price or premium that we can get, and we will execute. So next candle is like 7 seconds away. I'm gonna go buy 600 quantities at 243. Let's see where market is going. I'm assuming there are chances that market can make a move till here and come down. If that is not happening, there can be a straight sharp fall from here also. So that's why I have entered in the position early. This is how our P&L looks like now. Exactly as I've said, Banknifty has come down to 44,000 and the movement till 44,100 exactly as I said happened. And now our premium has gone up to almost 275. Let's see where it is going again. We'll probably book our profits around 25,000 and then we'll be done for the day. I hope Banknifty is going to touch 43,971. Yes, put is getting over call, so we can expect further bearishness. You can still feel the upside pressure, the downside pressure. So this is the power of price action and the entry at right point. So with 600 quantities, I think we have from 243 it has gone up to 270 something, which means it is a crazy and good trade. So 30 points in Banknifty is not at all bad. Banknifty is trying its best to break the low, but unfortunately since this has been a support area in yesterday's intraday, this is trying to hold up, but I feel Banknifty can come down to 975 and then can move up. So this is how our P&L looks like. I'll probably book our profits around 20,000, 21,000 and then we'll be done for the day. So that's what I'm planning. So we'll keep it open We'll see what's the status with Banknifty. Probably this can touch this point and take a move towards the upside. So there is some pressure over here in this area, so probably we'll have to book our profits, otherwise we won't be able to book more than that. Okay, now this can be a reversal towards the upside, so we'll have to be careful and we have to book our profits wherever we get it. It's flying up. Banknifty was trying its level best to break this level, so now I think there can be a stop at any of these levels, so we'll book our profits right away and get out of the position. So yeah, that's what I'm planning. Okay, 285, we'll put it 285. Put it 285. Yep, probably it will hit our target, but we'll have to anyway trail probably. I don't think that's a good idea, so probably we'll wait for, yeah, it'll hit our target is what I believe. Okay, we'll just modify the target because I don't feel that can happen. Right, so it has come below what I wanted to book, so let's just wait because this is now a trap is what I believe, so we'll get out of the position right away. So we'll keep our limit at 278 and we'll wait. So we have booked our we have kept our limit price at 278. We'll see what is going to happen with Banknifty. Again, there is a reversal from this level, so we'll probably see some. Okay, now that, let's not modify it, let's book our profits. So yes, I'm sure that if Banknifty breaks below this level, we'll further see Banknifty going down to 43,875. I'm sorry, there is one other 795. So if that is broken, then this is one level. But since this has acted as a very good support in yesterday's intraday, we can see an upward movement or a consolidation here where the premium will be eaten. So this is what we have booked for the day. Well and good, we have booked almost 20,800 rupees in the morning itself. We have deployed for 1,45,000 in this trade, and we have booked more than 10% of the trade, which is actually great. So what we can see here is a consolidation around this area, as I have mentioned in the previous part of the video. So only once this is broken is where we can expect Banknifty to move further towards the lower side, and also if that is broken, we'll see Banknifty moving to 43,873, and once that is broken is where we can expect further bearishness. And in order for Banknifty to move up, we'll have to see a movement and retest like this, as in Banknifty has to sustain above 44,000 and this particular level has to be broken, sustained, and has to be retested for Banknifty to move to 44,100. So this is the view for the day. You can use these levels as a reference to your trades, and also we'd like to say that we are not SEBI registered analysts and these are only for educational purposes. So yeah, thanks for watching the video.